Back to class, and we are trying to solve on equivalent mass. We are back to example 2. In this example 2, we are looking for only the equivalent mass, and from the equivalent mass we can predict what the metal is, and probably the metal oxide or hydride, as the case may be. Okay. In the question here, we are not looking for valency, so it could come in that form. We are not looking for valency, hence there is no relative atomic mass that is being given here. The question says 8.35 gram of a hydride of a metal on oxidation gave 8.00 gram of the metal. Calculate the equivalent mass of the metal. Name the metal and hence the metal hydride. Now, this is how we solve a problem like this. First and foremost, we need to look for the mass of hydride of metal. The mass of hydride of metal is equal to 8.35 gram, and the mass of metal is equal to 8.00 gram. Therefore, mass of hydrogen rather, the mass of hydrogen here will be mass of metal hydride minus mass of metal. That is 8.35 minus 8.00. So you are going to have 0.35 gram. That's the mass of hydrogen. Now, having gotten that, we can now find the equivalent mass of hydrogen, equivalent mass of the metal that is here. So how do we find the equivalent mass? We will now see that 0.35 gram of hydrogen, 0.35 gram of hydrogen combines with 8 gram of the metal. Alright? Now in this case we are dealing with hydrogen, so we are going to be using 1 gram. Then 1 gram will now be equal to x. So you are going to have x to be equals to 8 multiplied by 1 over 0.35. So you have 8 over 0.35, and then we are it's going to give us 22.85, approximately 23 gram. So the equivalent mass of the metal is 23 gram. Now that suggests to us that the metal is sodium. Therefore, the metal is sodium because sodium has a relative atomic mass of 23 gram. And then because it's sodium has a valency of 1, and hydrogen also have a valency of 1. Then the metal hydride will be sodium hydride, NaH. So the metal is sodium, the metal hydride is NaH. That's sodium hydride. So do well to look at this question and solve on your own. The question says this is an activity for you to do. A sample of an oxide of chromium weighing 2.48 gram was heated so that it reduces to its metal form. If the metal weighs 1.68 gram, what is the formula of chromium oxide? Chromium is given as 52 and oxygen is given as 16. So you can try this question out and see what you got. So send me the answer on the comment box in this video. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I hope you have learned how to find the formula of a compound using equivalent mass. If you have done that, please share this video on every social media platform. I still remain Emerald. Let's continue to learn chemistry.